Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms. Right now, we will be discussing about the HTML form elements. This chapter describes all the different HTML form elements. The HTML form elements. The HTML form element can contain one or more of the following form elements, such as input element, label element, select element, text area element, button element, field set element, legend element, data list element, output element, option element, and opt group element. We'll be exploring all these elements in details. We'll be exploring it in details. So in our previous tutorials, we have discussed about the input element and label element, but we are still going to discuss about it much more better, and even we have discussed about the button element in some of our tutorials, and also we have also discussed about this text area document. But here in this tutorial, you will be in this playlist, you will be seeing right here, we are going to be seeing in depth on how you can use all these elements in real life applications in reasonable ways. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you and to the next. Bye.